How's it going, guys? Pretty quick one today, as the trades that I took were pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy trades. Unfortunately, we did get stopped out at break even on the second one. First one, we did lose about $184, but I'm not worried. Not worried at all. Should make that back within one trade. And it's got me kind of wondering if I should just go 2 RRs until I get my first payout and then just be done. I was targeting 4 RR, which would have been about $1,000 on the day, which I was right. It would have played out, but I don't know. So I think I'm just going to keep doing me, and whatever I did today, I'm just going to, keep trying it until it stops working for a long period of time. Because, one day, one little deviation, mishap. I mean, like, literally, what are the odds of me market ordering here and then price, ripping almost a TP and then coming all the way back down to stop me out by 1 wick, like 2 points, or 1 point, actually. Pretty low. So anyways, the first trade, market open, we came down. I looked to take a long off of this level right here, and we did have an SMT at the time, I believe, with over here or here coming all the way across. And if that didn't get, or since that got invalidated, I was looking to take a long off of this one with an SMT here, but we actually never ended up hitting it. And I believe ES actually took this low over here, so it kind of invalidated my trade in a sense. But yeah, so this trade, I already kind of went over it. Took an SMT, very internal. These are more the kind that I like to see, because it's after, like, I don't really care to catch bottom or low, or bottom or top tick of the day. I don't really care. I'm more about like a run up, a retracement, and then another run up. But unfortunately, with 9 a.m. open, it looks like we came back down. Actually, 9 a.m. ripped, but the candle right before it came down and stopped me out. So I was literally liquidity for everybody else. So you're welcome if you banked on that. I'm just kidding. It's a simulated market, so it is what it is. But yeah, pairs were very uncorrelated today, which was odd, and I really couldn't explain it. I'm guessing just because it's a Monday, no news Monday, and we have CPI this week. We have heavy news later in the week, but not right now. So not sure, honestly, but I hope if anybody took some trades throughout here, first presented ICT, played out very nice today. It was this one right here, like so. And my dogs are about to bark. 1 minute inverse fair value gap right there. And yeah, played out awesomely. So if anybody wants to look at that, that's the 2024 ICT membership. But stuff like that, I just noticed now, which is cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to do the verse of the day. In the meantime, join SPS. It's in the description. Use that link there. I believe it's going to help you tremendously in your trading career, as it did mine. And on top of that, they live trade every single day. Literally every single day. I can't remember the last time. I don't think they've ever missed one since I've been in there. If they have, then it's like a no news Monday, and it's like you shouldn't trade anyways. But a lot of my discipline and psychology has been helped by being in that group. And if you want something free, just ask me some questions. Join my Discord. That's in the description. So there's links down there. If you can't figure it out, then I'm sorry. But yeah, so we got Luke 18:14. I tell you, this sinner, not the Pharisee. I feel like I'm butchering that. Pharisee, Pharisee, returned home justified before God. For those who exalt themselves will be humbled, and those who humbled themselves will be exalted. I'm going to go over to Google real quick. Luke 18:14 meaning. So I'm honestly not seeing a good discussion about this. Let me go to the comments and see if anybody. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm wasting time here, but I can't really find Luke 18:14. Maybe I have to do NLT. I thought this was going to be a really quick video, but I can't really find the meaning of it. So it says, Jesus emphasizes that the tax collector who humbly acknowledged his sinfulness and sought divine mercy returned home justified before God. Okay, so what I think it's saying is, if you humble yourself, exalt themselves. I don't know what exalt means. We're in this together now. Exalt. To raise, rank, character, or status, elevate. So I think it's like if you let exalt themselves. So oh my God, I keep saying I think, but the last time I'm going to say this, I think the way it's saying and what it's trying to say, and if I'm wrong, please put it in the comments and correct me. I'm always willing to learn about this. So exalting yourself is like you look back on your sins and you realize what you've done wrong, and God likes to see that. And if you wait and just humble yourself and not exalt yourself, then that's not good. And to try and put this into a trading sense so I can even understand it better, because I'm not gonna lie, I still don't necessarily fully understand it, is like off these trades, look at it, humble myself, be like, okay, I only lost $180 when I could have lost more. I got break even. Yeah, I'm mad that I did not hit full TP of $1,000. But as I said at the start of the video, I believe that this is like a test for me, so I don't get overconfident and that kind of stuff. So I'm exalting myself. I'm like, all right, I'm good. I'm up here. I know what's best, but I'm going to take it as like a learning lesson. I'm not sure if that's 100% right. If you know more than me, please put it in the description or in the comments. But I'm going to end it there. Hopefully tomorrow we can catch a nice trade, or whatever happens. But I will see you guys tomorrow, maybe with the Asia trade tonight, but I will keep you updated. Goodbye.